Hey guys, it's Fonzie with Dip Your Car, and I am super pumped for today's color combo. Today we're doing something we've never done before. We have these metallizer gallons. They come in silver and gold. They're essentially kind of like a glossy gallon with a microflake in it, but it's a special microflake. It gives you the microflake sparkle and effect, but doesn't add any texture like traditional microflakes. We use them from time to time. But what we've never done is mix a pearl into the metallizer gallon. So today we're taking silver metallizer, we're mixing in Triton Color Shift directly into the metallizer. I can't wait to see how this one comes out. Enjoy the video. Hey guys, so we finished the project, and it turns out that metallizer gallons and pearls, or at least this pearl, don't like each other very much. I thought mixing a color shift into silver metallizer was gonna look awesome. I thought we'd get a silvery, sparkly effect from the microflake with this underlying color shifting effect to it, and that didn't work out all that well. This car is patchy. The pearl and the microflake are not working in harmony. And there's nothing I can do. I'm not gonna reshoot it. I'm not gonna try to do some camera trickery. You're gonna see when we take it outside, this car is patchy. It just didn't work out that great. And you know what? That's fine, because not every experiment we do is gonna be a home run. I have no problem with a failure once in a while. It's all about the experimental process and learning as we go, right? Right. Now, if you want to dip your own car, because we have a lot of colors that look a heck of a lot better than this one to choose from, click right up here. It'll bring you to our car kits. Let's go outside, and like always, whether it's good or bad, I want you to rate this car in the comment section below from 1 to 5. I have a funny feeling this one may not be our highest rated color. But again, that's okay. Either way, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Let's go outside and check it out. I'll see you guys in the next video. We have these metallizer gowns. We have silver and gold. It's essentially like a glossifier gown with a very special, unique metallic flake mixed in that gives you that metallic metallizer, what is it? Had a lot of potential. You can get metallizer flake and effect and sparkle and maybe even like a chromey effect with the color shifting. I don't know what I'm talking about. Metallic shimmering effect from the metallizer with an underlying color shifting tone. It didn't work out that well.